This hotel in Hong Kong is near Ladies Night Market, Sneaker Street, Longfong Mall, maraming restaurant, maraming convenience stores, walking distance sa MTR station Yau Ma Tei, malalakad mo rin ang mga shopping mall. And I only got this for 3,000 pesos per night! Out of 21 hotels I've stayed in Hong Kong, ito isa sa mga pinakamura here in Mongkok. I personally chose this hotel because my itinerary is just shopping. Magpapasabay po tayo ng mga Gio items and Langfong, mga perfumes, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, dito ako magsistay sa malapit sa mga yon. This is also a bus away from TST. So actually, kaya mo naman siyang lakarin kasi along Nathan Road lang din naman. Pero kung gusto mo, kung ayaw mo mainitan, pwede ka namang mag-bus. So isang bus away lang siya. This room is actually Superior East Room. As you can see, it has 2 single beds. Kung makikita nyo, huwag nyo ako i-judge kahit na outside dress to. Eh, dito na lang ako matutulog. Tingnan mo talaga ay pang isang tao lang naman talaga ang single bed. Pero kung gusto nyo magsiksikan, since they're not strict naman about their number of packs in their room, siguro kaya nyo magsisikan ng dalawa. Yung staff na mismo sa baba ang nagsabi sa akin na i-move daw to. Pero naisip ko, meron kasing saksakan dito, ang daming saksakan dito. Oh. Try natin, i-move lang natin para makita nyo. So I think this bed can sleep 3 people. Super siksikan na yung 4. Maluwag, pwede mo na ilagay yung luggage mo dito. Wala kasi silang cabinet. Walang closet, but they have hangers and they have sabitan. And then here on this side, they have a mini mirror. Ayan. And then may ilaw din to. Pwede siya i-open ganyan. Electric kettle, cup, and glasses. This is my travel altar. Of course, I don't miss that. Wala silang libreng tubig dito, akin to. There is hair dryer. This is the room talaga. Pwede mo lagay yung mga damit mo dito. I-stack mo na lang sila. Blackout curtain, tapos may bintana dyan. At least you can see the view. Then may tissue, may safe. Type-C pa, may USB. Bedroom lights. Yung unan, surprisingly, nagulat ako kasi ang lambot niya. Tapos tig-dalawa siya. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi yung mga budget hotels, tig-iisa lang yung mga unan. Tapos meron pang maliit na unan, 'di ba? Tapos comforter pa siya. So ito yung TV. Dito ko nilagay yung luggage ko. So, may small at may large. Pwede ko pa siyang i-ano dito, ibuka. And then, may full body mirror like this. Slippers. Phone dito. Mabilis yung wifi nila. So, maliit lang din siya. So, may mirror, merong hand soap. Walang bidet, syempre. Towels naman silang provided. Ito na yung shower. Ilagayan din sila, which is good. And then shampoo, body wash na rin siya in one. So if you're looking for a budget hotel here in Mongkok area or Yau Ma Tei area, search for my name on the Klook app, Main Ibiernas, and then redeem all the codes and use my discount code MAINKLOOK para mas makatipid ka na mas maging less than 3,000 pa to. Follow me for more Hong Kong tips and travel tips. Bye!